Hi, my name is Rayan and I'm here to tell you about the Opti-Trim kit for the Baader 189. But before we start, let me just give you a quick introduction about who we are. Peter Larsen was established in 1971, and ever since we've been working on Baader machines. We do help customers all over the world, and we are also an authorized Baader service partner. So back to the Opti-Trim. What is it? Basically, it gives the belly knives the ability to move in and out. The advantage is that the belly knives can move closer to the backbone, and when the saddle has to pass by, it moves out to give space. The beauty of the Opti-Trim kit is that it's a 100% mechanical installation. So that means that it's easy to maintain. If you already know how to maintain a Baader 189, you will be fine after the Opti-Trim has been installed. The first kit was installed almost 3 years back, and since then we have had no issues with any of the install kits whatsoever. So it's safe to say that it's pretty durable. Last year we took the decision that we wanted to measure exactly what the difference was with a machine with the Opti-Trim installed and a regular machine without. Luckily, we have a customer that has two identical machines. They run in the same plant and they use the same fish to process on both machines. So that setup was ideal for us. Before we could start the testing, we did service on both machines, and one machine got the Opti-Trim installed. After that, we did everything possible to optimize both machines so they would perform at their very best. We agreed with our customer that we would run the test for 5 months and they would do their regular yield test that they already do, and they are pretty good at doing it as well. So after 5 months, we finally had the chance to see some numbers. And the test showed that the machine with the Opti-Trim kit installed had a higher yield of 1.1% compared to the other machine. But what we really wanted to see was how well the machine with the Opti-Trim kit installed would do after trimming. Because let's be honest, after you trim the fillets, you can lose like 1 or even 2%, so that might change everything. Luckily, it was good news because the machine with the Opti-Trim installed had a higher yield of 1.5% compared to the other machines after trimming. So we have made a short film about the Opti-Trim kit where you can see a Baader 189 machine in production with the Opti-Trim kit installed. So let's have a look.
Opti-Trim is our add-on to the most iconic filleting machine ever made for whitefish, the Baader 189. The add-on set adds functionality to the belly knives, so they get the ability to move in and out. With the added benefit, the belly knives can move closer together, which means a higher yield. Take, for example, this cod, which we will fillet with this machine with an Opti-Trim kit installed. Without the Opti-Trim equipment mounted, a Baader 189 leaves 6.5 millimeters on the backbone. With the Opti-Trim installed, we only have 4.8 millimeters left on the spine, which is a considerable improvement. Additionally, the fillets also get a cleaner cut, which is better synchronized with the back knife. The result is a better looking fillet and a higher yield. Here you have a direct comparison between two backbones, one from a machine with Opti-Trim and a regular Baader 189. The difference here is 1.5 millimeters. Contact us if you want to know more about the Opti-Trim kit for your Baader 189.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you got something useful out of this presentation. If you have any questions regarding the Opti-Trim, please do contact me. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.